Buying a major home appliance is an important decision and a big purchase. It's important to know before you go. Make sure you visit www.bigboxappliancereviews.com.
Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hello Colorado, this is Cleet Crocker. I'm here at Appliance Factory, Mattress Kingdom, and I had a question today that I think many of you might want answered, and that is, what is induction about? Do I really need induction? And this of course is a cooking conversation. So you know, there's basically 2 kinds of cooking that everybody knows about when you're talking about the surface of your range or your cooktop, and that's either gas or it's electric, and that largely has to do with the community that you're living in and what's normal for that area. But what we're finding is that there's huge advantages to switching to a third type, which is a real easy switch, and it's called induction cooking. It's actually a very old technology, but it's something that's becoming very hot over the last couple of years, and I want you to understand what that is. So the really great thing about induction is it's very efficient. So when you think about the other kinds of cooking, if you're cooking with gas, that's probably the least efficient way. People love gas because it's instant on, instant off, but actually it has the least amount of energy going into what you're actually trying to cook. It's only about 40-30% efficient. A lot of the energy is going around and out away from what you're trying to cook. When you get to a smooth top, and all of these are smooth tops here, when you see these, it's a lot more efficient than gas. It's about 50% efficient. So 50% of its power is actually going in to heating up the food that you're trying to heat up. So not bad. That's what we're normally had, and we've had it for all these years. The problem is it doesn't give you the same kind of reaction time that gas does. These tops, while they are easy to clean, they do eventually get stained, and you'd like to have more of your dollar going into actually heating up what you're trying to heat up than escaping into the air. So when we're talking about induction, instead of 40% efficient or 50% efficient, it's 90% efficient. Most of the energy that is made during induction is actually using to cook your food. And so that makes it amazingly fast. It's much faster than gas. It's much faster than electric. And it uses the same plug-in that a regular electric range uses. So typically, if you have an electric range or cooktop in place, most of the time, the induction will work as well. The thing you want to do is just ask your provider if the amps are roughly the same. You need to make sure we have it on the right kind of breaker in your house just to make sure it works. But nearly, I would say 99% of the time, that's not an issue at all. Some that are very, very powerful might take a little bit more. So how does it work? Well, this is kind of interesting. When you don't have anything on an induction surface and you put your hand on it, you're not going to feel anything. It's not going to be hot at all. What happens is there's magnetics down below the cooking surface here, and it actually charges your cooking device. So this pan here, which is a normal pan, most of the pans will work that you already have. Some won't, but most will. And what it does, it actually turns this into the burner. That's why there's very little heat on it. Now, once you start cooking, you don't want to touch this because there'll be some reflective heat coming off of the pan. But the only burner is actually the pan itself, the frying pan, the pot, whatever you're using. And you'll find a tremendous difference in, say, how long it takes to cook anything, or how long it takes to boil water, just the basic things. And it's instantly reacting to whether you turn it up or down, so you have total control over it. So it's really, really, really nice. And because we're not actually cooking through the surface, there is no cleanup problems on a smooth top that's made through induction. It is so much easier to clean than anything else at all. There's nothing that comes close to it. So it's so good in terms of making sure the heat comes in here that, you know, I have customers, I'm not saying that we recommend this, but I have customers who have taken newspapers over the top, you know, say they're frying fish, and they set their newspaper down, they fry up their fish, you know, that's gonna splatter everywhere. When they get done, they just pick it up and they throw it away. So, you know, What I recommend if you're interested in doing this, actually some of the home stores will sell some actual mats designed for that, and it's probably a lot more safer than using newspaper. But literally, those are things that you can do, and you can try it. When we demo those, a lot of times when we demo these, we'll actually take some dollar bill and put underneath it and bring it to a boil just to prove how safe it is, and it's amazing. So it works better, it's more efficient, it's more instant to react to what you're looking for, and it's not that much more in price than a normal range would cost or a normal cooktop would cost. Now certainly you can get some really, really nice luxury ones that have a lot more benefits than your normal cooktops, but really if you're looking for the average inductions, not that more in price, and it's well worth it, and it will pay for itself in the energy that you're going to save in your house.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.